Let us remember to remember. May we remember not to forget. Let us remember, tukumbuke kukumbuka. Hebu tukumbuke kukumbuka, kutosahau. Hebu tukumbuke the great Mekatilili wa Menza, Malikia kutoka Giriama land, yule ambaye aliyeibiwa na wakoloni kutoka kwa Giriama hadi kule Gusii land. Alivunja magereza na kurudi more than 1,000 kilometers back to Giriama land, kuendelea na mapambano ya watu wetu. May we remember to remember. Let us remember not to forget. Muthoni Nyanjiro Maito Wito 1922 pale Central Police Station, yeye ambaye alienda kuwatetea wale ambao walikuwa ni freedom fighters wetu. Nao mzungu kuona vile akampiga risasi na blood yake ikaflow kwenye ground, ikamix na soil ya ardhi yetu, ikagerminate the seed of the Kenya land and freedom army, the Mau Mau. Let us remember not to forget. May we remember the great Field Marshal Dedan Kimathi Washiori, yeye ambaye alisema it is better to die on our feet than to live on our knees. Let us remember not to forget. Remember Bildad Kagia, remember not to forget. Remember Fred Kubai, remember not to forget. Let us remember Elijah Masinde, remember not to forget. May we remember not to forget Pio Gamapinto, the first member of parliament in independent Kenya to be assassinated. Let us remember to remember. May we remember JM Karaoke. Let us remember not to forget. Let us remember to remember. Remember not to forget. Let us remember not to forget the Mwakenya heroes, those who are tortured in the dungeons of Nyayo House. Remember Koigua Amwere. Remember not to forget Tirop Arab Kitur. Remember not to forget Wafula Buke. Remember not to forget. May we remember the fallen Gen Zs. Let us remember Rex Masai. Let us remember Brian Shege. Let us remember not to forget the Gen Z revolution a year ago, coming in the next few. Remember not to forget, we need to build them a national monument in the capital of Kenya, Nairobi. May we remember to remember. Let us remember Wamunyoro. Let us remember Muimuto. Let us remember Laikipia, remember Kisumu, remember Busia, remember Metho, remember to liberate Kenya. Nikisema PLP, unite, liberate. PLP. Dayo. Thank you so much.
Asante sana, amesema remember, Kasongo must go. Hapa mliasikia? Hapa tuko na jeshi kubwa sana ya viongozi wametoka mahali